What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? Hey, you guys. What's going on? How you doing? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. Glad you are so faithful. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. You're the best. Shout out to everyone all around the world. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love having you here, you guys. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button. We have fun over here. Click a thumbs up, a thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Also, click a bell down in there. You see that little bell? You'll get a notification every time I make a video, which is about every other second. Yes, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. You guys could be anywhere else, but you choose to spend a little time with SkinnyBoyRandy, and I greatly appreciate it. Go on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Beginners and experts are welcome over there as well, and you'll find the channel under the same name. We have so much fun over there, you guys. If I can't answer a question, and you have a question, go on over there, type it in. I guarantee you somebody will have the exact same issue or have been through that issue, and we'll help you out. Okay, you guys? Okay, I love you. Check out my Instagram and my Twitter as well. I'm starting to use that a little bit more. Look at the beautiful sunflowers behind me. Yes, you guys, but I'm about to get out of this sun because the sunflowers love the sun, but SkinnyBoyRandy can't stand too much sun because I be done fell out. I'm back. So let's get out the sun, you guys. Today I just want to talk to you about a pest that I've never had a day in my life. But thank you for all of the input, all the research you guys do, all the research that I do, and I found out exactly what was going on. I was checking out my cucumbers. And are you getting little holes in your cucumber? Let me come down here. Now this is a cucumber plant that I just let grow in my front garden bed. And it just took off by itself. And it grew up this bush. I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not, but I've never had this issue before. So upon coming out and inspecting the cucumbers, don't they look gorgeous? Looking great, right? But if you look a little closer, I saw this gel. Can y'all see this gel on this cucumber? And I'm like, what is that? This gel. See this? Come to find out, it's a pest poop. Yes, you guys, called the pickle worm. Okay, what is that? We growing cucumbers. We ain't growing no pickles yet. You got to ferment these things with some juice to get them pickleized, and we ain't got no money for all that. We ain't got no money yet. No, you guys, but yeah, it's a pickle worm. Never had one a day in my life. And if you look even closer, you'll see tiny holes to where they've eaten. They've probably gotten inside and are just munching and loving on my cucumber just as much as they want to, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this because it's no good. It's been infested by the pickle worm. Now let me see if I can break this open and see if anything's in there yet. Okay, I opened it up. I can see the hole. Can you guys see it? See, I wouldn't eat this. See the hole? That means they're in there. They may be babies. They may be further back in there. But look at that. A perfectly good cucumber gone to waste. Look at all these. But, you guys, that's a part of gardening. It's a part of Mother Nature. She sends a moth by sometimes late at night here in my zone. And these things seem to kick off certain times of the year. They don't come around every year, all year, but I hear that they come around certain times of the year, especially as the growing season starts to come to an end, and you may start seeing pickle worms on your cucumbers. So what do? First of all, we want to remove the infested plants. Yeah, you guys. And even this little baby here, oh, I thought she was doing good until I saw that. So you guys, always inspect your fruits and vegetables. Don't just rinse them off and put them in your refrigerator. Always inspect. See that? Yep. Got us. They got them. So what I do, now let me show you the difference in a pickle worm infested cucumber and a non-pickle worm infested cucumber. And a lot of times these moths come by and they lay eggs late at night and then they hatch in the morning. Looks like we got a hole. Is that a hole? No, I don't think they penetrated that one. Let's see. We got anything else over here hanging? Oh, look at these cucumbers, you guys. They're just all over the place. They're all on the ground. We're going to get these before they get infested. hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to pull these. I just twist my cucumbers off. There are no holes in this baby. So we save that one. Got another one here growing on the ground. And I planted these late in the season, you guys, so I could have succession and I could have cucumbers, you know, for a long period of time this year. Oh, look at over here. Get you over here with me. Another big boy. Looking good. So just gently twist the stem and it pops right off just like that. So we saved a few cucumbers from the pickle worm. Yes, you guys. And it's that time of year that the season's about to change. Things are changing in the garden. So, you know, it's normal. So don't think you failed or you did anything wrong. It's just Mother Nature's way of different animals surviving as well. Now, I'm not an organic gardener. I've never proclaimed to be. Okay, I told you I ain't no organic gardener. I don't know nothing about organic school. I ain't never been to organic school. But I appreciate everybody who is organic. Shout out to you. But I use 7 Dust. I love it. It takes care of a lot of worms, especially the hornworms and the beetles and things like that. You can sprinkle this on at night. Sprinkle it on your plants at night and rinse it off during the day. That way your pollinators won't be affected, especially the bees. Now, I have never had any problem with this affecting my bees. I don't know if it affected yours, but I've sprinkled it down many a times, and my tomatoes and peppers kept pollinating and different things like that. But yeah, you can get this on Amazon, and I order it in a 3-pack. I swear by it. I love it. I'm not organic, so if you're the gardener that says, I don't want to hurt any bug, I don't want to hurt anything, this is not for you. So what you do, I'm just going to show you how to use it. And I think I just saw one of those moths that lay the pickle worm. Okay, here's some late cucumbers that I planted, you guys. See? They're doing well. They're coming along. They're in extreme heat. But yeah, I planted these a couple of weeks ago, and they're vining. They'll start to flowering, and we're going to get some cucumbers late in the season. So what you just want to do is take your 7 Dust. Just take the 7 Dust. It's a fine powder. Okay. And since you don't have any flowers on here yet, you can sprinkle the entire thing. Can y'all see this? Just sprinkle the entire thing. You can even sprinkle the soil around it. This will help with all types of pests and bugs. And that's all you do. Just sprinkle a little bit on there like that, and that should help you with your pickle worms and other items eating up your bugs, you guys. Okay, I love you guys. You are absolutely the best. Thank you so much for being here. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay, I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. And look out for the pickle horn, the pickle worm, the pickle horn worm. I love you guys. You're the best.